Hello everybody, my name is John. I am MacB Trader Assistant, and today I will guide you through basics of MacB Indicator. MacB Indicator is quite simple but very powerful tool that can be used to help clearly identify bullish and bearish trends. While it can be used on any time frame, the higher the time frame, the more powerful the signals and the fewer false signals you will have. Its acronym, MacB, stands for Moving Averages and Channels Breakout. MacB is custom-built indicator, coded in Pine script language just for TradingView platform. MacB consists of three main parts: baseline, microtrend arrows, and volatility squeeze channels which can lead to breakouts. Baseline. It is a line working as support or resistance, self-adjusting level on given time frame. It can change color depending on trend direction. When trend gets bullish, line is moving upwards following the price and acting as support. You will be able to see price bouncing of it. When trend gets bearish, line is moving downwards following the price and acting as resistance. In continuous downtrend, you will be able to see price holding this line as resistance above. When price is consolidating or not in strong trend, baseline can be flat. Baseline is very important part of trading strategies using MacB Indicator. It can be combined with trend arrows and squeezes for double and triple confirmation of decision about next trade. Remember that the more confirmations you have, the more possibility is you will make correct decision. Trend arrows. When MacB Indicator senses microtrend is bullish, it prints small green triangle arrows under the price bar. When MacB Indicator senses microtrend is bearish, it prints small red triangle arrows under the price bar. When the microtrend is indecisive, there are no trend arrows printed. As a general rule, you look to buy when trend arrows are green, pointing up and price is above baseline. You look for short position when trend arrows are red and pointing down and price is below baseline. When arrows stop printing, you can consider closing your long or short position. This of course depends on the exact strategy you are using. We will get back to the possible strategies in different video. Volatility squeeze channel. Volatility squeeze often happens during price consolidation periods. What happens next could be beginning of strong trend or violent breakout. Breakouts are strong moves marked by MacB with big triangle breakout arrow. MacB Indicator recognizes when price is in so-called volatility squeeze channel and prints shade behind price bars. You should pay much attention to squeezes taking place after long consolidation periods. The higher the time frame, the more significant move can happen afterwards. As an example, just take a look what happened to Ethereum price in 2020 after shaded squeeze on monthly time frame, leading to 20x in price. Because MacB Indicator is one tool to suit many markets and assets like crypto, stocks, forex, etc., you can choose sensitivities of both baseline and squeeze. If you are an experienced trader and feel confident at what you do, play with settings, look left, and check what works best for your asset. Keep in mind that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. History doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. MacB is equipped with bottom reversal bars and top reversal bars. These bars can show potential reversals of current trend. Top reversal bars are yellow. Bottom reversals bars are purple. The most important thing to understand when it comes to reversal bars is the need for confirmation for these signals to be considered valid or have high probability. Confirmations are what we use to validate all our setups. When setups are confirmed and validated, they have a higher probability of working out in your favor because of the confluence in signals. Confirmation using price action is when one of the following two bars after the reversal bar closes beyond the reversal bar's wick in the direction of the signal. If you have a bottom reversal bar print, then the confirmation would need one of the following two bars to close above the top wick. If you have a top reversal bar print, then the confirmation would need the following bar to close below the bottom wick. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and visit our Twitter.